Watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? A franchise is choosing one, the 10-star general. You know me I represent for Gaza, you know, a full effect each and every time when I crank up, ear up, load up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them Gaza way. Watch. Hear me, man? Right about now, me a man come for straighten up some look of folly where I go on the two, because me I tell you something. Respect, you know, is a bragging right. And respect, it not only goes out for a particular individual. Respect, everybody supposed to get that in the manner how you deal with yourself. You hear me I say? So watch what me I say right about now. Me hear some bloggers, you know, on YouTube, you know, claim say alkaline a style cartel as educated don't. Man I say cartel, you shouldn't do no tune with Jody, with the girl because she use back Spragga Ben style. Man I claim say Vybz cartel like him afraid of that man there because him have to do tune against the man and I watch out the man thing. Yo, right now, you know, you see the subscriber them who subscribe to them people at channel. I don't even know if them people they ever have no sense or I like them like when people elude them in a straight fuckery. Or most of them who subscribe to them guys at channel, they're not leaders, you know what I mean? So them don't know nothing, so guys can't tell them anything what to believe. Yo, me hear man I look for the foolish shit them for talk about. Just because what? For them artists now go on with nothing in a dance hall where them supposed to talk about. Listen to me. Them artists now caught in a stage, in a arena, nor in a stadium. Sometimes it takes 3 of them for even perform to have a good crowd. Listen to me. Them now go outside of America go do no fucking show. Unless I know the Caribbean them run up. And these are the people them what people want to talk about. But I not that me I chat about still, but just some go on for sure no. Say you have so many things you can talk about and talk about the real fuck a thing. But you choose to come on YouTube and talk all kind of hypocrisy and I lead the people them in some stupid thing. And what do you go up and hear to boss live, Zin? And I don't know if ear to not see it, but I see it for ear to us live. I don't know if it's a next man do it, because you know when time people fuck with computer, them can rig my whole thing. Give me a second. Watch. Good. As I say, when people are following computer, them can do anything, but I don't know. I see. I see a thing where, like, Amara said, he might forgot switch back inside because alkaline now go on with nothing. So he might forgot switch back side over. I don't know if somebody post that or tag that, so I don't even too want to get into that, but here I want to get into. Yo, everybody and their mother, see? Heal up Buju Banton, see? Because I see people go on and talk all kind of foolishness and the real thing them where they on the tube for them talk about, them act like them blind to it. Everybody heal up Buju Banton. I watch all CNN news thing they on, you know, BBC, you know, all kind of shit I show you, know. The welcome where the man get in the country, you know. And everybody I say heal up Buju Banton and I bless. I mean like alkaline, you know. Him no know Buju Banton personal, nor Buju Banton no know him personal. But me I say, oh, him not heal up Buju Banton. And me watch all the gully god mother who saved this little youth career. Because when him do body wash, the gully god him run with the people that lick out pan him in a Jamaica and a lick out pan the thing where him a deal with. And a gully god him run go behind, you know what I mean? For shield off some of them pressure there and maintain himself up to today there. And me I wonder, oh, the little youth not send out nothing on Instagram, nothing at all for say, well then, bless up Buju Banton who a dancehall icon, reggae patriot. Eh? So me want to ask Uni, you know, when I see you now run and I try to compare and I try to push him from Vybz Kartel and I push him. I ask you something. Him bigger than Buju Banton? That he must just hold him hard and hold back so and not heal up the gargamel. What Buju Banton has done, why him can't say heal up Buju Banton? And them man they set the pace and set the fraction that all him all could all can come bust all in a dance hall. Eh? Let me tell you something, I'm posing like a fellow tune here, you know. Did nobody a beg on and respect? I pose like a fellow tune nowhere. What? How you doing? It's cold?
You know, so.
So?
Shorts weather out there.
Alright.
Come on.
Alright.
I'm sweating over here.
Oh, damn. Word. Yeah, man say, I pose a fellow chick. I tell you now, say I pose. You know what I mean? And that's why certain people, you know, we're here and rep for them type of youth and I give them the respect where them supposed to get. I respect them as an individual. Garfield. Yes, what I say? I say, how come nobody not see that? Nobody not see that. Everybody and their mother heal up and I give Buju Banton first class respect. Oh no, I not see the youth post no. And uno whereas you do video and I run up uno more. Uno not tell him say yo see the general. Uno not tell him oh you not bless up the general. You not bless up the general Buju Banton. No one stay one side and I say oh no dapper than not no bumbuckler dancer. We're not different from some dancehall artists who get hot and fade out after a while, my virgin. You can't say real thing like that happen, my virgin, and you not see a word in it. Otherwise, you shouldn't even go in a dancehall music. You can't never in a dancehall music and you not hear up bumbuck like Buju Banton. And I see big Rihanna. I wait for Buju Banton for drop her bumbuck like dancehall, for drop her album either January or February. What the problem with Uno? Uno bigger than Rihanna? And I promote, she promote the Gargamel. She promote Buju Banton, close line. You know what I mean? That me see big Rihanna though. And Uno look at Brambles Clifford. Uno can't say bless up to the general Buju Banton. But yet still, them look at bloggers that can come jump on YouTube and I put up him name against Vybz Kartel and even get bright. You know what I mean? Nothing but total disrespect with the man name. You know what I mean? You talk about an artist who are well established in the world. All of the big radio stations, them talk about this artist and them know this artist like the whole global. All of the international superstars, them are this artist them talk about. But yet so you don't want to push up and look at chup artists on the man. An artist who never have a billboard hit. You know what I mean? An artist who never show no respect to nobody at all. You understand me?
Surf's up, Garfield.
Right.
Headed to the beach.
Headed to the beach. Yeah. So, what may I say? Oh, no, not talk about that. I'm soon run up on YouTube with all kind of hypocrisy. Some man all do 4 or 5 videos about Buju Banton. You see what I deal? I want to rep for some different artists. You know what I mean? I want to not tell the artist, say, yo, if you bless up the Gargamel, if you show respect, or if you not show respect to one a dancehall grandfather, but yet still a dancehall, you know. No, you shouldn't even in a dancehall if I so be the case, my virgin. If I so be the case, you know, the man and hunger live it, man. The man do it, man. The man not show the man. Say it's not an easy road. Everybody don't know why them lock up the man a dancehall music. Why, you know, my virgin? At 10 age, the man does come and step on in my virgin. Oh, you know, say salute the General Buju Banton. How comes? What the problem? Because him not know you. You know what I mean? But he must hear about your music. You know what I mean? But you know the man and know what the man have done for dancehall and reggae music. And you just stay so and keep your mouth shut. A fellow too no wear like a bitch. And another lollipop thing. I'm telling you something, you look at bloggers who ever push this and go like you can violate teacher and them shit there. These are the things why things are like that. You know, respect. I hear Terradan say, you know, his mother, you know, tell him, you know, say any big man out the road call him pussy, him for call him back pussy, you know. Let me tell you something, so when I youth and I grow, I don't use them words there. And them words the way I use, you can talk to your friend about that. You can't exercise them words out of your mouth as you like. Even if you're there around your parent, a real thing I tell you about. Because I'm going to tell you something. In order for you to tell a big man that, at them age you was a grown ass man over you. How you doing? Good? You know what will happen. You'll get slapped. Hard. And if your mother go for your mother and she come out to keep up no foolishness or defend the foolishness where you support, all she will get slapped too. A real thing. I bet you tell the people them what your mother said. What about what your father said? Or what about what you said? Because let me tell you what happened to youth now. We're born nowadays. We don't have no respect nor principle. When me a youth, you know, translate them argument that to big people nor around big people. And let me tell you this. Them time there, you know have no wicked man like where you have now. People just get up and hurt people for no reason at all. Them time there you have real bad man. So in order for a big man say I look at you like that and I try to use indecent language to the look at you and them thing there. Real bad man slap him in his face in front of the look at you. And a lollipop thing me I talk, a real thing me I tell you about. Good. What I say? I not tell you about fraud, I tell you about real bad man. If him disrespect the look of you like that, would be an indecent language, you know, at all. Real bad man not slap him in his face in front of the look of you, man. And disrespect him and him still have to apologize to the look of you. No look of you can't use them type of argument that a real bad man. So I don't know what kind of argument that you come out on YouTube and all feel like it appropriate for to talk about indiscipline shit. Or you and I don't know how it comes your mother go tell you that as a look at you. So you a big man I go say, alright, to a look at you. You're a pussy hole and you tell back a big man about him a pussy hole. And I say much that mean me don't even know. Cause big man him bigger than you can't manage him. So how you tell him translate back that even though him said that to you. But me just gonna show you the levels of own thing. And what I say, that this is why all these things are going on in the country. And one night time I sit down and go like you want blame Vybz Kartel for them things there. From them lock up Vybz Kartel until now, you check. At most the crime rate go up from them time there until right now. So I don't know what I chat about, you know, I want to look about enough to stop violate the man, you know.